Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Full review. If you want a powerful yet lightweight vacuum that handles carpets, stairs, bare floors, and pet hair with ease, this review is for you. Today's focus is the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, finished in a clean lavender design and built for versatile, everyday cleaning. Lift-away design and maneuverability. The standout feature is lift-away functionality. With a simple release, the detachable pod lifts off, allowing effortless cleaning of stairs, furniture, shelves, and hard-to-reach areas. Paired with swivel steering, this vacuum moves smoothly around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. Cleaning power and floor performance. Despite its lightweight build, the NV352 delivers powerful suction for deep cleaning carpets and effective pickup on bare floors. The brushroll shutoff lets you instantly switch from aggressive carpet cleaning to gentle hard floor cleaning without scattering debris. Allergen control and pet hair. The anti-allergen complete seal technology works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum, helping maintain cleaner indoor air. For pet owners, included attachments like the wide upholstery tool make removing pet hair from furniture fast and easy. Attachments, warranty, and value. The included 12-inch crevice tool helps clean baseboards, corners, ceilings, and narrow spaces. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this vacuum offers long-term reliability and strong overall value. Final verdict. The Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away combines strong suction, allergen control, pet-friendly tools, and easy maneuverability in a lightweight design, ideal for busy households. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.